Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Hida, and in this video I'm going to paint on some random things. First, I have taken this spatula which is of no use in the kitchen because of its size, it's too small. Then I have taken this ice cream stick and some pieces of marble. जब हमारे घर पे मार्बल का काम होता है तो ऐसे बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे पीसेस निकलते हैं जिसका कोई काम नहीं होता, तो ये मेरे छत पे बहुत सारे रखे हुए थे तो मैंने इसे ले लिया है. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस कैमल फैब्रिका एक्रेलिक कलर विच कम्स इन 6 shades. Now I will paint the spatula with sky blue color. If you have gesso, then apply it first, then apply colors on it. I don't have gesso, that's why I am applying colors directly. With the help of pencil, I have made the outlines of cloud on it, and then I will paint the cloud with white color. I have used black marker for outlining the clouds. You can go with paint also. Now it is ready. It is so simple and looks so beautiful. Let's move to the next one. So here I'm painting the ice cream stick with yellow color, and then I will make small heart with red color. The size of ice cream stick is too small, that's why I'm going for this heart shape, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा था तो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था मैं इसमें क्या बनाऊं. Now it is ready and looking so pretty, and you can also use it as a bookmark. Now moving towards the next, which is our marble pieces. Here I am making some outlines of drops. Then I will paint it. तो चलिए फटाफट से मैं पेंट करती हूँ इसे. And I am very excited for this. Finally, after completing, this is what it looks like. It turned out so well. कितना ज़्यादा प्यारा लग रहा है ये देखने में, मैं बता नहीं सकती. मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा लग रहा है. लग ही नहीं रहा है कि ये मार्बल है. And I will definitely make such pieces in my other videos. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such videos. Comment down below which artwork you like the most, and thank you for watching. Bye.